computer with Eva Mendes on it. I'm going to be getting a touch screen pretty soon. And there's a lot of headphones. Note the foil that's on them. It picks up better signal that way. And a wireless keyboard, wireless mouse, my Philips subwoofer, Philips speakers. Note my computer case, how it's lighting up. I have a Pentium 4 with 1 gig RAM, 500 gig hard drive with a 40 gig hard drive, a 91 memory carrier, floppy drive, DVD burner, DVD-ROM player / CD rewrite, my external CD rewrite, my 10 gig hard drive. Ooh, that was bad. I just dropped it. That was bad. Mother still works, bro. Now, let's see. Check this baby out. See if it still works. Oh yeah, by the way, that's my iPod Shuffle. Yeah, I love that thing. Or just plugging it in. I can do this while holding the camera. Let's see, everything appears to be coming up. It's saying not recognized. Yeah, that's bad. Yeah. Well, let's see here. You're going to be watching me trying to fix this. Let's see. So hope it didn't break it. Oh, thank the Lord. It came up. Now let's look at it and see. Oh, thank you. Okay. Now, this is my 30 gig Zune. This is my media player. That is my Shuffle. Back behind me here is my 160 gig external hard drive. And sitting on the floor, this is my crap hacking computer / crap / spare. So, what more is there to say other than show you my insides and say you can sort of see a glimpse of my heatsink. You see my hard drives, my ROM drives, power supply, my illuminating LED fan. Oh yeah, by the way, I have a 6700 AGP PN1 NVIDIA graphics, 510 RAM. Hell yeah! Like every game I ever wanted. You know what? It's a cheaper solution to the 8800. It's just as well DDR2 to 8800. Kiss my butt. Well. That's what you've seen. This is what you've seen. Oh yeah. By the way, I have an original IBM computer. Piece of shit. But hey, it runs well. Sometimes. Well, sometimes not. But that's all. That's me. Peace out.